Next, we'll demonstrate the French knot. Let's start with 2 strands in the second row. Using 2 strands of color number 2. First, bring up at the center of the right circle. Hold the thread with your left hand. Hold the needle with your right hand. Wrap the thread twice around the needle. Then, insert toward the center point. Pull the thread slowly. Now 1 French knot is complete. Let's demonstrate again. Left hand holds the thread. Right hand holds the needle. Wrap twice around the needle. Insert toward the center point. Pull the thread slowly to avoid knot formation failure. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Keep your hand steady when wrapping. Control wrap count and pull gently. Practice needle grip and thread tension to avoid loose or malformed knots. Let's look at the 2-strand result. Now let's look at 6-strand French knots. These knots will be much fuller. Using 6 strands of color number 6. Again, bring up at the rightmost circle's center. Left hand holds the thread. Right hand holds the needle. Wrap the thread twice around the needle. Insert toward the center. This forms a French knot. Since this is thicker thread, pulling might require more effort. Use a bit more force. Notice the difference with different strand counts. Following the same steps as before, complete the remaining pattern, creating dimensional small knots. French knots add accents and texture to designs. These French knots are now complete. Let's look at the finished result.